Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. These are modern rainforest watercolor protection. You can easily download from here. This is about post, and here in this template you get two folders after you extract it. It's WinRAR format, just like this WinRAR, and you'll extract and you'll get two folders. And here this is for Windows and this is for macOS system, the one who use Apple operating systems, and here this is for Windows. So here these are border composition frames and individual illustration PNG patterns. So just start with borders, and this can be your image border. You can see for mobile resolution. Here these are PNG format, 5 are these, and here these are composition flower, again in PNG format, and you can see these are different elements, parrot and other, and these are frames. Again these are 5 and PNG format, and here these are illustration. These are PNG images of different birds, butterfly and animals, flowers, and here these are patterns, cheetah print, different other prints. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, also like this video. Take care.